Because I saw a little bit of broccoli. And I
See,
don't
my
know.
dog is so hungry.
I'm so hungry. He just ate this morning.
It's been at least.
You know what? The veterinarian, like him, we have a shepherd. Only 1 cup a day.
What?
Yeah, the
This is
veterinarian
easy.
says. That's the way you do it.
Pampano. Sitaw.
Broccoli cheddar soup.
Ano yun?
Broccoli cheddar soup.
Ayan, broccoli cheddar soup.
Tapos sisig. Oy, wash your hands. Where did you go? Did you wash your hands na?
Wash your hands first, baby.
No, ay sa lababo. Kayo! Ano?
Yung sisig namin, masarap niya, sisig.
Gisingin mo si ate. Ha? When you come back. Kylo!